Hello there, this is Simon, otherwise known as Gundam UK, and I don't normally do these kinds of videos, but I really had to because, well, what I've got is something very special, and it's something I've been waiting nearly a year for since I first saw it. And that thing is this. It is the Ingram one from 3.0 in the Robo-Dou series. This is a figure. Well, it's an action figure. I know I don't normally get these kinds of things. I'm pretty much a model kit guy, but I had to get this as soon as I saw it because it's just amazing looking. So what I'm going to do is in this video I'm just going to take it out of its box and take a look at it. Well, I haven't actually done that yet. All I've really done is just broke the seal. You can see it here if I open up the flap. Sorry for the reflection, but we're going to take it out. See here, it's the full Ingram one. It's a lovely size. It's got all of its accessories and things. So let's take a look inside. Okay, which end did I open it on? It was not that end. It was this end. Okay. Right now, you know, I don't normally do these unboxings, so forgive me if it's a little bit wibbly wobbly. I need to fix my camera mount really because it's a little bit on the wobbly side, so sorry about if you're feeling a little bit of motion sickness as I do this. Okay, right, let's have a look at what we've got inside. Okay, let's put that to one side for a second. I have a warranty sheet. Nice. What do we have here? We have some instructions by the looks of it. Let's have a look inside. Of course, I'm used to an instruction manual that's full of instructions for how to put the thing together, so this is just a quick idea of the functionality. As I mean, it's got the open leg thing here that we can put the gun in and things. It comes with this stand, which is very nice. It comes with a riot gun, stun stick, and extended and retracted form. And several sets of hands, pilot, face guard, an antenna, shield, and of course the famous revolver gun. And wow, there's lots going on in here. I think the best thing for me to do is just to take it out. I'm pretty sure that the lights on the shoulders, they do little sparkly things, but I'm pretty sure that I'm going to need batteries for it, which I don't have. So wow, okay, it's hermetically sealed in here. Let's see if I can prise this top off. Awesome. Right, let's have a look. After a little bit of a struggle, I got it out of its packaging. Still sealed in this lovely plastic bag here. Bit of gel. Do not eat. And here we go. Wow, that is very pretty, and it's really heavy as well. And I really like they've got these kind of cloth parts on the joints here to kind of replicate the horrible rubbery stuff that you get on the master grade. But yeah, that is absolutely marvellous. Absolutely marvellous. It's proper solid as well. So I'm going to have a lot of fun kind of posing this around, I think. How do I get the cockpit open, I wonder? Let's have a quick gander at the instruction manual. Cockpit. Let's have a look. Oh, right, okay, so first I have to slide this forward. Oh, no. Okay, what I'm going to do now is, now I've got it out of its box, I'm going to have a little play with it, see if I can figure out how to do things. We have a nice shield here. We have the wee pilot here. What else do we have? We have a face shield here. several hands. Kind of a little bit kind of clumsily panel lined, but you know. All there. Oh, some nice colour separation here on the right shotgun. Nice folding stock. It's pretty cool. Oh, and it pumps as well. That's pretty cool. Terrible sound effect. Awesome. And here is the revolver. Lovely detail. Really cool. And we have the two shock battens, the retracted and the extended. Okay. So, as I mentioned, I'm going to have a bit of a play with this now and see if we can explore its many features. Here is the figure itself, now freshly unboxed, and I'm so impressed with this thing. It has some incredible detail, especially here, some really nice metallic detail here in the side vents here. Lots of little gimmicks on it. Just for a kind of size comparison, here is like a standard master grade G04. And as you can see, this absolutely towers above it. I'm not quite sure what the scale is of this, to be honest, but it's absolutely huge thing. And I can't stop looking at it. It's just so incredible. I've just put the shotgun on for now, and you can see in here one of the gimmicks. Let me see if I can get better lighting here so you can see a bit better. But as you move this leg down, the pistol comes out there. And then you can actually extend this arm out here to catch the gun out of the leg, just like it does in the anime. There's also a tiny Noah figure here. Of course, this has a little Alphonse sticker here. And this has a lovely kind of anime accurate opening mechanism, if I can do it. Please forgive me, I'm kind of like behind the camera here, so I'm reaching around. Reach around. So this comes up, this part goes down, and there you can see inside the pilot figure. It's a little bit rattly, but that's not to bother. I'm not going to be playing with it, I promise. Okay. Pretty good mobility all round. So I mean, it's, you know, got the usual kind of Gunpla-esque maneuverability and articulation. A couple more gimmicks it has tiny little lights that pop up here just on the shoulders. And of course the most impressive part of this whole thing is of course the lights here. Little switch, and these just pop in the shoulders, just like that. And I'm so impressed by this. I can literally sit here for a long time and just stare at this thing. It's absolutely wonderful. So that's really it for this kind of unbox and look at this awesome AV98 from Patlabor. And thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time. Goodbye.